I can't explain it. Hope you hear what I'm saying. I'm loving your vibe. Won't let you play the side.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys summer hair, summer makeup, and first I'm going to start off with the hair. So this is a wig, a curly unit, and oh my gosh, this dog's barking in the background. Please ignore it because I just finished plucking it and doing baby hair, so it's kind of puffy and lost its curls a little bit. So first I'm going to quickly insert an unboxing of the hair so you guys can see it like when I first got it sent. But this hair was sent to me by Elva Hair company, and I'm just going to insert the unboxing of it so you guys can see like how the wig came, the wig construction and everything like that. So this hair was sent to me by Elva Hair company, and everything will be in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. Yes, excuse my hair. And this is the box. What came in the box was the wig, a wig cap, and also a little pamphlet. So this is the curls straight out the box, and pretty. This is the hairline. It's a pretty natural hairline, but of course I plucked it even more. But anyways, it came with 4 combs, which I love wigs that come with combs. It's like a must for me. So yeah, there's 2 on the side, 1 at the bottom, and then 1 like right after the frontal part. And it also comes with adjustable bands, which is also a key for me. So I went ahead and put on the wig, and I'm looking crazy with this wig on. Like, I never wear my wig straight out the box. My curly hairs, no, I have to finger comb the curls or something. So now I went ahead and made my baby hairs because this wig did not come with baby hairs. You have to make your own. And then I went ahead and slicked my baby hairs down with some got to be glued gel and tied it up with a scarf, and then went ahead and finger combed these curls because it was looking crazy and I needed to wear it this day just to get a feel of the hair, you know. And so yeah, that's how I styled it. Took off this scarf, and that's how I wore it. But of course I ended up plucking that wig later on, but y'all will see in the rest of the video how the wig looked now, because keep in mind this video was 2 weeks ago. Yeah, now let's get into the video. I absolutely love this hair. It is so natural looking. Basically the look I'm going for is like a wet summer dewy look. So basically just take any of your favorite like curl refreshing spray and make sure that it has like some type of oil in it that's already made with the product. So just shake it up and just get the spray in. I don't have my mirror, so I'm gonna look through the, just going to quickly bring your curls back. I think like this is like the most natural looking hair I've had. It's a 150 density, but it doesn't really feel like it. Like once you wet it, it looks really like thin when you wet it. And like once it like dries, as you can see, it's like really full, and that's such a pretty curl pattern. Or you can really just spray it in your hand. I'm gonna have to wash my hands anyway, and just like rub it in here. Okay, so as y'all can see, the hair kind of looking a little full. Well, I don't know if y'all could tell, but I just had to take a break. I had to eat. So yeah, it kind of could look like it dried a little bit, the hair. First I'm going to start out with primer. I'm going to prime my face. I'm going to go through this makeup fast. I'm going to talk more about the hair at the end of the video as well, like once it dries. And I don't have my mirror, so I'm just going to use my viewfinder. Actually, I could use, because it's going to look like I'm looking like way out of line. So I'm going to use my mirror. Yeah, I have an actual skincare routine now. Like I'm trying out this kit, and so far so good. It has been like, I have oily skin, and it has been controlling my oils. So that's one good thing about it. It's been controlling my oil. My face has been like matte. So I appreciate that very much. I'm gonna be using my Fenty foundation, in the shade 390. This shade is good, but I think I need a different shade, a different undertone maybe. But I love this foundation so much, y'all. Oh my gosh, I really love this foundation. Like, it just looks so natural. And I have the primer too, but I'm just not using it today. Y'all see how fast it dried? Like, oh my gosh. Oh, and this is a Fenty sponge if you guys can't see. Oh my gosh, look how matte my face is. I know I said I was going for a natural makeup look. I am, but I also want it to be like super bright. Like, I want it to be bright. My skin is not getting oily. That's just, I don't know, it's weird for me because my skin is always getting oily. So I'm not even gonna bake because I feel like I honestly don't need it. Like, I don't need to bake. The way my skin is feeling right now, I don't need to bake. So I'm just gonna lightly set it. The only thing not allowed to, not allowed. The only thing that's allowed not to be natural when you're doing a natural makeup look is your brows. Your brows are the pass, okay? This is the finished look. I did go ahead and add on some highlighter. I don't know why I forgot highlighter, but I added on some highlighter. And I actually didn't do lashes. I just put on a lot of mascara. And now I'm gonna just like tell you guys a little bit about this hair. And by the way, this shirt is like the shirt I do my makeup in. I just washed it, so like, you know, it's probably gonna be back dirty, but it's pretty much stained with makeup. But I just love using this shirt for makeup. That's why I look all mangy and stuff. So yeah, back to the hair. I've had this hair for about 2 weeks now, but yeah, I pretty much feel like this is some really nice hair, y'all. So I'm gonna start off with like the pros and the cons. You guys know how I like to do my hair reviews. I like to do the pros and the cons, and then let you guys know if I like the hair, and then let you guys decide if you guys want to buy the hair or not. So this hair doesn't have too many cons, but it has a whole bunch of pros, so that's a good thing. I'm gonna start off with the pros. This hair has a beautiful curl pattern, that's for sure. Oh my gosh, look at this curl pattern. And also I love how soft it is, like the texture, not only the curls but the texture as well. The texture is very, very soft. This hair was very easy to manage. Like, when I tell you, I would just like sling this wig off when I would get home, and I just sling it off. And like some wigs that I've had, you have to comb it out and detangle it because it just gets tangled up when you just like toss it around or whatever, which of course you expect that. But this hair did not do that, which is why I was surprised. Like, wow, I'm just slinging the hair, which don't do that, okay? You want to take care of your hair. You don't want to just throw it off anywhere. You know, you want to put it on a mannequin head or put it back up in a box until you're about to wear it again. You know, don't do what I just said I did. But my point is that the hair did not tangle. The hair just didn't tangle in general. Just wearing it throughout the day, it's super flowy. It doesn't tangle. This hair did not shed, y'all. Only time it sheds when I plucked it. But look how natural this pluck look. I mean, this pluck. Well, that makes sense too, but look how natural this part look. Like, oh my freaking gosh, this part is so freaking, like, what? This part is so freaking nice. Like, look at that. I did that. The part did not come plucked. The part did not come plucked. The wig did not come plucked. It did have a natural hairline, I believe. I'll insert a clip in case it didn't have a natural hairline, because I did pluck it around the edges because that's just what I do. The density, I love the density over here. It said it's a 150, but it doesn't feel like a 150. Like, it's not heavy. It's not heavy. It's very light on my head and very comfortable. And also another thing is that I love this cap size. I tightened it up, but my sister's head is bigger than mine, and you know it has to be big if my head is big and her head is like a little bigger than mine. And sometimes she can't fit wigs that I have, but this wig she can fit like perfectly. It has adjustable bands, so you're able to like close it out. Know that this cap size has to be big. Wow, that's such an insult to my sister, but it is what it is. But that's pretty much it for the pros. If I think of anything, if I think of any other pros, I will let you guys know. Now let's get to cons. First, got the hair. Ooh, it did have like a smell, like a factory smell. Now it doesn't, because I sprayed like the curl refresher spray. It smells like that, which is a good thing, because some hair does not, it just won't lose that factory smell, like that really harsh smell. Some hair does not lose that smell at all. Like, it just, no matter how many times you wash it, how many times you put a product in it or spray hair perfume. But this one, it most definitely did leave, like as I'm smelling it right now. The scent is like, where I sprayed it, the scent did go. It's still a con because it comes with that smell, and I don't like that smell. It stink. Like, what if you don't feel like co-washing the hair when you first get it? You just want to put it on. Like, no, you can't do that. You have to wash this hair. Well, you should wash any hair that you get in general, but like I'm just saying, with this one you have to, unless you're gonna walk around with that smell. And don't nobody wanna walk around with that smell because it is strong. Also, the hair did not come bleached. The knots did not come bleached, my bad. The knots did not come bleached with this hair. Just went ahead and like hit it with some makeup. That did well. Let me make sure. Yeah, that did well. I do prefer bleached knots, so that would have been nice if it could have came with bleached knots. The hair did not come with baby hairs. I had to make my own baby hair. Yeah, with this hair, like how I combed it out into like a big old afro, I was able to just wet it, and like the hair came back to this regular curls. Adding on to the pros again, this hair looks super nice as an afro, like as puffy, like without the curls. Like when you comb out the curls, it looks super duper nice. I really like that you're able to wear this hair like this, like how I have it, super small and casual, or you're able to like make the hair bigger than what it is. Like, I'm gonna show you, I'll give you an example. My auntie is so quiet. What? She's so weird. She's so, what? She's so weird, oh my gosh. Like, what are you doing? Hold on. So she sent me a text, like, somebody just asked me, was I Ashley? Like, what? Why would you? Should I just laugh at that? Like, what was she saying? What? Okay, anyways, what was I even talking about? What was I talking about? I don't even know what I was talking about, y'all. I was about to show y'all how I make the hair big. Okay, so look, this hair is not really all the way dry, so it's gonna kind of be hard to really show y'all. Let me do it like this. This is irregular. Don't want to be extra out, but I'm extra out, so I'm gonna show my extraness. Now, see the difference? I can make it go even more extra than this, y'all. Another pro about this hair, I love how you do not have to glue it down. This is not glued down. I did do my edges though, the baby hairs, I mean, with some Got2b glue gel, the black tube. So that's pretty much the only thing holding it down, but the lace and everything is not glued down. It just fits so perfectly to where the lace is already sealed on my head. Like before I did the baby hairs, it was like on my head. That is pretty much it with this hair, y'all, in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Snapchat at ASTLEYJ, which I haven't really been on Snapchat, so just use filters, post it on Instagram, because Riri said throw the whole app away. So we don't throw the whole app away, Riri, I'm sorry. We gotta use filters, because Instagram filters is not gonna work. It's not gonna, I'm sorry. Use the filters, post it on Instagram. That's what we're gonna do. Or just save them. Yeah, so yeah, make sure you guys check out Elva Hair in the description down below. Make sure you guys check them out and go get you a wig. Like, go get you this wig, go slay, because look at mine. Come on, look at this hair. So yeah, all of their information will be in the description box below, as well as direct links to the wig, to their website, and all that. So yeah, check the description, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Okay, Bye. What frontal?